Are you interested in making at least $10 every single day on crypto trading? Then don't miss our $10 daily challenge, where I'll be showing you how to make at least $10 every single day, leveraging on simple and easy move in prices of cryptocurrency. Now, if I head over to my Binance here and come to future where I have just and go to, you can see I even have one trade here. I have one trade running safe, and you can see how much I have made so far. 5%. I have made $1.13, and before you know it, I must have made $10 in a day. So if I go to this candlestick where I have to take my technical analysis, you can see that each of these moves that this coin is doing here, from this particular point here, from this particular point to here, will give you almost 10%, and that 10% you're already making about maybe $2, $1, depending on how much you are starting with. And now look at, if you enter this trade here now, I think this we are enter that trade that is already running now and is already here. You can see how much it will give you. So this is the strategy I'm going to be teaching you. You just utilize some little move, like if you have entered trade here now, and then exit from this particular point, you must have made about, at least this will give you up to $5. So, and this trade I'm not telling you, within 2 minutes, within 3 minutes, you are done with the trade, and you just close trade and go and rest. So this is the strategy I'm going to be sharing with you on that training. I'm going to be sharing details. Is a 100% guarantee that you make $10 every day. And most importantly, I'm going to be showing you how to automate this. You don't need to be online to be checking when you are going to get off the trade, when you are going to pick the trade. I'm going to show you how you can automate all these things, and it will work even when you are not online. Now look at the thread that is running. You can see this is my thread that is running now. You can see how much is already making now. Is about $2, and so if I have like 3 of these now, I'm already making more than the $10 and thereabout. So this is how you can make money. I'm going to be showing you how you will get this thing done correctly without losing money. So that is the essence of the training. I'm going to show you everything about it, and you will not have to lose your funds. And now if I go back to the ones I have traded before, you can see this one is actually ID/USDT perpetual, and this particular trade I actually made $20 here, and it was about 90 plus something percent. And this was actually a buy trade. I actually long this trade. And if you go to this other one here, this one is a Matic USDT perpetual, and this trade was a short trade. I shorted this trade and I made $3.44, which was about 16 point something percent. So this is what you are going to be learning. Exactly how I'm doing it is what I'm going to be sharing with you in our $10 daily challenge, and it's a guarantee that at the end of the training, if you follow the strategies, you are going to be making at least $10 every day. So what are you actually going to be learning in this training? I have said it before now that you are going to be learning the strategy I'm using to make at least $10 every day, and then I'm going to be showing you the coins I'm actually using to short my trade or to long my trade to make those money. It's not actually that you can't use any coin. You can use any coin after you must have done your research, but I'm actually going to be showing you the ones I'm also using. Then I will show you how I make my research before I enter any trade, and then I will show you how to automate the trade so that even when you are not online, your trade will make you money, and then exit yourself from the market, and then place your trade again, and then exit yourself whenever it makes you money. And with this, there is no way you cannot make at least $10 every year. This is a challenge I'm going to be heading you on your hand to show you, and even after the training, I'll be supporting you in the groups. I'll be supporting you in our WhatsApp group. But this is going to be a live training where I'm going to show you practically all those things, the way I'm doing it, the strategy I'm using, how to place my trade, where to enter and where to exit, how to read your technical analysis to arrive at a profitable coin, and the kind of coins that you're actually going to be using for all these trades. These are the various things I'm going to be showing you on these trends. Now let me show you something. If you go over to your calculator here and you are making this $10 every day, let me show you. If you are making this $10 every day, multiply it by, let's say, 30 days. You work for 30 days, you're already making $100, and the $10 is just a minimum. You can make more than that, but I just don't want to overhype it. But I'm very sure that you will make this $10 every day. So that is how you will make this money. So if this is what you want, I know this is not for professional, this is just for beginners who want to be making at least $10 every single day. So if this is what you actually want, click on the link below this video. Now you will see our WhatsApp group. There is titled $10 challenge WhatsApp group. So click on that $10 challenge WhatsApp group to enter the WhatsApp group, and I'm going to share more information on that particular group. And then I will also share the date of the training. It's going to be a live training where you watch me do it. So the only thing you need to do now is to go and click on that $10 challenge group and join the group now, so that you will not miss any of the update. That is the only place I'm actually going to be updating us on when the training will start and how to participate in the training. See you in the group, even as you make this money together in crypto trading. Bye for now.